Hi, thanks for watching this video. My name is Adam Lerner. For those who don't know me, I'm an acupuncturist, herbalist, and functional medicine practitioner. And I just want to take a couple minutes quickly to tell you a little bit about a really exciting research study that's just been published. The study was published in the journal Complementary Therapies in Clinical Practice. And the reason we're so excited about it is the first study of its kind that has demonstrated the efficacy of functional medicine in treating a common condition. So that even though over the last few years there's been this huge increase in awareness about functional medicine and people have been flocking to it, and we've seen clinics opened up with the Mayo Clinic and the Cleveland Clinic, Stanford University, and a bunch of others that have started studying it. This is really the first study that's been published, and I'm even more excited because the study's author was Dr. Dan Kalish, who is my mentor and functional medicine teacher. He conducted the study along with a team of researchers from the Mayo Clinic. And what they were studying was the effect of a 6-month functional medicine program on women who are dealing with stress and fatigue and digestive disorders. And basically what they did was they recruited this group of women who all self-reported that stress was a big issue in their lives. And as a first step, they treated them sort of like we do with all of our functional medicine patients, and they put them through a battery of tests that were designed to try to uncover what the root causes were that were causing these women to feel stressed and tired. And then based upon what they found on these tests, they designed individual treatment protocols for them, which included usually some diet and lifestyle modification, as well as targeted nutritional supplement protocols for them. And then they monitored them very carefully over a 6-month period and then tested them again at the end. And what they found was truly amazing. They basically found huge changes with these women. The women reported very significant changes in their fatigue level, in their concentration level. They reported significant changes in their digestive health, and huge improvements in their vitality and other quality of life scores. One of the things about this study that was so sort of unique and so exciting is that, besides the fact that it's sort of the first of its kind, is the study design itself, right? With a lot of scientific studies in sort of in the name of scientific control so that we can say something meaningful, a lot of times with studies, particularly those around lifestyle, they end up being very tightly controlled. And a lot of times the interventions end up not looking a lot like what the interventions are used, how they're used in real life. We see this a lot with some of the early acupuncture research. But with this study, the study design was literally exactly how these protocols and these approaches are used in real practice. So the labs they used were the labs we use in clinical practice right here in our office. The dietary plans, the lifestyle modification plans, the supplement protocols, all that stuff is exactly the same that we use right here with our patients on a daily basis. And the fact that they were validated to make such a difference in people's energy level, vitality, those patients experience less stress, and their digestive health improved. That was all super exciting. So sort of the upshot of all this is, I suspect we're going to continue to see, certainly these researchers are already starting to move on to conduct larger scale studies, but I suspect given how a lot of academic institutions like Stanford and the Cleveland Clinic and Mayo have started to open these functional medicine centers, I suspect this is just the first of many studies we're going to see sort of spreading the word about the efficacy of functional medicine, which is really exciting. So just sort of to wrap up, I want to, number one, congratulate my mentor, Dr. Dan Kalish, on the publishing of this study. It's a huge accomplishment. And also sort of spread the word a little bit that if anyone knows anyone who's dealing with fatigue and if it's just not getting better, that they might want to consider, pursuing functional medicine with a functional medicine practitioner. If you're in our area here, I'd be happy to spend some time. I'm always happy to offer a free 15-minute consultation to anyone who has questions about how this might apply to them and how they might benefit. to arrange that, just give our office a call and they'll be happy to arrange that for you. So thanks for a couple minutes of your time, and have a great day.